Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply fix broken video file or unplayable video file online for free. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular video file as an example. So I'm going to play the video, and then you'll find out that the video is unplayable. How can we fix this problem and make the video play back again without any stress with online free tool? Let me show you how. So I'm going to exit from my video file right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my Chrome browser right here. And after you open up my Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you visit this particular website right here. So you can see video repair. So go ahead and visit this site. On getting to the site, next thing you want to do is to upload a broken, corrupt, or unplayable video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on choose file right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on photo and video. Then you want to make sure that you locate a particular video file on your phone gallery. So I'm going to navigate to video section right here, and then the video file. So you want to make sure you locate the video from your phone gallery. So I have the video right here. Okay, for easy identification of the video, let me quickly go ahead and rename the video from my gallery. So you can see I cannot find the video right here. So I'm going to exit from here, and I'll go back to my file right here, and I'm going to rename this video. This is the video file right here. So I'll go ahead and click and hold down. I'll make sure I rename the video. I'm going to call it unplayable video, just like so, and I'll hit on done. Okay, then I'm going to go back to the site right here, and then we have to make sure we look for the unplayable video. So I'll go to the video section right here,